I'm Natasha Kornstein, CEO of Blushington, and on behalf of our entire team, we wanted to reach out to say hello and to share a few updates. When we temporarily closed our lounges in March, we had no idea what the world would bring. Since then, we have mourned the loss of several relatives and friends of our Blushington family, and our hearts go out to all those that are impacted by this world pandemic. Yet amidst the sadness, our team has come together, united in the belief that celebration and joy still have a place in our lives. So until we can be together again, celebrating all of your wonderful occasions at Blushington, we think we've found a way to bring the magic to you at home. This week, we're launching a virtual platform for pretty parties and classes. So whether you want to celebrate a birthday or a girls' night out, or join us for an hour of fun and makeup and learning with your favorite Blushington instructor, we're ready and here for you. You can choose from an amazing curriculum of classes, from how to get ready for your Zoom meeting or a date night in, to how to take care of your skin or groom your own eyebrows, all from the comfort of home. And while we're launching this new platform, we wanted to take the time out to honor our first responders and essential workers. If you had a celebration that was canceled or postponed or an upcoming celebration, we invite all first responders and essential workers to DM us at Blushington or send an email to info@blushington.com so that we can host a complimentary pretty party just for you. So until the day that we can meet again at Blushington, we hope for all of you that you stay safe and healthy, and we'll look forward to the day when we can all join together again at Blushington.